today we're gonna make a glass harp. Okay, you're gonna need a few things. The first thing you need is a stemmed glass. Now, make sure you ask Mum and Dad for permission because sometimes these glasses can be really fragile or really expensive and we don't want you to get in trouble. Alright, the other thing you're gonna need is a big jug of water with a nice pourer on it. You'll also need a whiteboard marker and a spoon and maybe even a tuning app on a phone. Okay, so what we do, so we'll pour some water in and then we're gonna wet our finger. And what you wanna do is wet all around the outside of the top of the glass and all on the inside as well. Make sure it's really wet. Get your finger really wet and then using this part of your finger, press it on the glass and use a little bit of pressure and then kind of keep going. And that's how you make the sound. Now, to work out what note you're gonna do, we're gonna add in, what we'll do is we'll get a special app that has all of the notes on it. So as I clink against the glass, I can kind of see that it's like almost G, but it's not quite right. So I'm gonna pour in a bit more water. As I do it really carefully, I'll tap on the glass. I want this one to be a C. So I'm gonna keep looking. Oh, I think it's almost there. And then what I do is I get a whiteboard marker and just mark it on the line. Now make sure you ask Mum and Dad first if you can put a whiteboard marker on their glasses. And then we've got a nice note. Let's try it again. Go faster or slower. Once you get really good, you can do whole songs, which is really exciting, but you need more glasses. Here we go. Put some in. Clip. Another one. Here we go. Gonna make sure it's all wet around the edge, around the outside. Ooh. Might also be a good idea to do this in a space where it doesn't matter if the table or the floor gets wet because you don't want to get water all over the carpet. All right, here we go. Oh, you know, that's a little bit hard. So I've got a spoon here and if it gets too hard, if you really gently tap it, it also makes a sound. You can make a whole song. Lots of fun. Then, when you get really, really, really good, you can do it with both hands and play amazing songs like this. Well guys, it's that easy. Keep practicing and have lots of fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.